Jai Hind. Hello everyone. I Cadet Alangar Pramod Sirke from DBA 2 NCC unit. I am pursuing my BTech Civil Engineering degree from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, Raigad. I just completed my fourth sem, that is the second year of civil engineering degree. Okay, let's start my subject, that is skill India and skill development initiation. Okay, the word skill means we have the ability to do something, that is the practical knowledge about that work we must know. I would like to thank the Prime Minister of India, that is Narendra Modi, who started the mission Skill India. He says that about the 65% of the total India's population contains youth of age less than 35. This youth reaches the India's to the high level in next few years, because of the Skill India mission. The youth of the people gives a better life for our India. uh, Hence the skill India mission is very important for our India. The specialist says that the various jobs and opportunities are having in India. But what is the problem? The problem is that the youth of the India don't know about the direction, and they are lacking with lack of skills, like soft skills, group management, language issues, etc. Because of the language issues, the youth which are resident in a undeveloped area, which are not able to reach that point. Hence the Skill India mission started the various training centers in India. With the help of these training centers, the youth of the India can get a proper knowledge about the language, or various skills like soft skills, behavior, etc. By using this training center, by using the, or using this training center, the youth of the India dream for their better life. Latestly, the India's government of India announced or changed the education policy of the India. It will get better impact on India's education system. uh, Nowadays, now the students of the 5th to 10th class, or the or that 11th to 12th, the students are now getting a practical knowledge from their school lives. Hence it will very helpful to for their futures. Education gives the total knowledge about the whatever are you doing or the studying. I think in our engineering life we have to know about all the practical, also the theoretical knowledge. The practical knowledge is very important, also the theoretical is also important. If you get the practical knowledge, it will very helpful to you. There is no excuse for the practical knowledge in engineering life. In my field, civil engineering field, the practical knowledge is very important. The many of the software like AutoCAD, WaterCAD, SSA, EPANET, etc. are very important in a civil engineering field. Hence we have to know all about them. uh, Overall conclusion is Skill India mission is very important for our India in a various factor or sector. Thank you.